Well folks, here it is, June 4th. Get off work first thing in the morning. Get out here and decided to do some looking. This is how close somebody was to this point. There's a cigarette butt right there. I don't know what all's here, but we'll go find out. Oh. Yes. Yes. Probably tell it's fucking raining. Perfect Aldina. Well, I better get the camera put away before it gets too wet. Talk to you later.